This AI tool can actually be super helpful for you pagdating sa music creation because one, it's free, and two, you can make so many things out of it. No? So madami kang music na pwede mong gawa. Different genres, different styles, etc. So the application or the AI application for music generation is called Suno. So Suno, puntahan nyo lang siya sa suno.com. Ang maganda sa Suno is you can create music from your own lyrics. So pwede ka mag-type ng sariling lyrics nandyan. You can choose the style ng music mo. Meaning, pwede ka mamili kung gusto mo ng R&B, gusto mo ng ballad, gusto mo ng hip-hop, gusto mo mala beanie style, yan, pwede mo gawin dyan. Ang dami pa niyang options. You can put a title to it, etc. So, you're given actually free 50 credits. So, I'll give you an example how it looks like. So, kumuha ko ng song Pasko na sa Pinas. No? So may ano na siya, it generated the entire lyrics for it. So, you can play the music if you want. So, legit. So, I mean, if you guys wanna try out, kasi kung naghahanap ka ng way na parang maglagay sa, I don't know, sa Instagram Reels or sa TikTok Reels or sa TikTok mo ng music na sarili mo na lang, this is a good place to go, no? Suno. So, I hope this helps and see you guys tomorrow.